Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to join a Binance Airdrop. First, ensure your Binance account is fully verified and meets all KYC requirements. Next, you'll need a Binance Web3 wallet, which is essential for participating in many airdrop events. Airdrops are a fantastic way to get free cryptocurrency, often used by new projects to gain visibility and reward early adopters. Understanding the basic requirements is your first step to claiming these exciting opportunities. Finding legitimate airdrops is crucial to avoid scams. Binance often announces airdrops directly through its official airdrop portal, which is your safest bet. You can also find information on their blog, social media channels, and within the Binance app itself. Always cross-reference any airdrop information with the project's official website or social media to confirm its authenticity before participating. This due diligence protects your assets. To participate, navigate to the Web3 airdrop section in your Binance app. You'll need to connect your Binance Web3 wallet to the specific airdrop campaign. Many airdrops require you to perform certain actions, such as holding a minimum amount of a particular token, engaging in specific trading activities, or staking assets. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully for each individual airdrop to ensure your eligibility and successful participation. Once an airdrop campaign concludes and eligibility is confirmed, rewards are typically distributed directly to your connected Binance Web3 wallet. Keep an eye on your wallet for the new tokens to appear. Remember, never share your private keys or seed phrase with anyone, as legitimate projects will never ask for this information. For an amazing upgrade to your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link and other great deals in the description below. Stay vigilant and enjoy your free crypto.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.